I've had a long work week, but my channel's all about helping people do stuff and things. And sometimes the stuff and things are yourself. You may have seen my video on the treadmill, which has definitely helped. And I think definitely made some progress. I mean, I think I'm looking a little bit better. Still got a long way to go, but this is actually a large shirt instead of an XL. So, part of this is self-maintenance. I want to talk about this product. I'm not endorsed by anybody here, but this is something that's worked for me for the last, I don't know how many years. The Air Force, when I was in, we had a PT test, and I would always use this product, which is called Dr. Natura. And I always use this to, right before my PT test, to kind of flush out the stuff out of your system. Well, I hadn't used this in a very long time, about 5 years, and lately I've been feeling kind of sluggish. Of course, I'm 47, and I'm kind of getting older, so I was wanting to see if that was just me or how that worked. So I bought this. I'm about 15 days into this, and I want to kind of talk to you guys about this and see what's out there, see how it works, and talk to you more about this product. So there's actually several parts. You get a little card that guides you on how to drive this. The product consists of pills right here. These are anti-parasite, which I don't think I have in, but that's what it is. You get this stuff here. This stuff is the Colonix. It is tolerable, but you have to drink it with apple juice. Let's try the bigger glass here. It's fiber. It looks like this. Kind of looks like mowed sand. And smells great. Taste, it takes a little bit to get used to. If you do mix it, you have to mix it and drink it really fast. And the last, which I do love, is the tea. So you take the pills. You start with 2, you end up with 4. Every day in the morning, you drink your drink here, and in the evening when you come home, you get the tea before you go to bed. So here's how it's going to go. I'm going to take my pills here. They're regular size, nothing spectacular pills here. I recommend the non-filtered apple juice. This is just the regular stuff, but it also works. The next thing we're going to do is pour yourself a glass about this big. And I got my little mixer shake here, which is right here. It's been repaired and it's been through hell and back. I've used this for all kinds of shakes and things. And now we're going to take Colonix. They want you to start with half a scoop, then you end up with a full scoop. Dump that in. Okay. Dump in your apple juice so I cannot spill. And I'm going to shake it all around. About that long. So, not a doctor, down the hatch. But I do know this stuff actually works. The one key thing that you do have to make it work is you want to drink a lot of water. So I found a way to work with that too. Just as I put my treadmill in front of the TV, that motivates me to work out. My friend gave me this awesome cup. I fill this up with ice and sip on it with water. And that's a pretty good chunk. It actually goes pretty quick. If you get at least one of these a day, I should probably do more. But liquid. It kind of works, kind of like said, I'm not a medical guy, so I call it sandblasting. You will, it's not crazy. I'm not going to put too much detail into this, but you'll definitely feel relief and a lot better when you complete the program. You can do this about once a year. That's usually what I did. At one point I was doing like twice a year. So I think it works pretty well. kind of curious to see what you guys have as far as questions and comments. See what it is that you guys do to for better health. And till next time, take care.